think what makes Nebraska Medicine nurses so special is their dedication to caring for complex patients. We all know that we have very different types of complexity of our patients, and I think our nurses strive to care for those really complex patients. They enjoy it, they get the thrill out of it, they get excitement, they want to learn more, and that's really what I think I'm most proud of.
I think the nurses here have a true sense of camaraderie with one another. They work together as a team, and I think the thing that I see with our nurses is they really take the time to listen to their patients, understand their needs, and they figure out a way, one way or another, to deliver on the promise of serious medicine, extraordinary care.
The diversity of the roles across our organization is amazing. We have nurses that are doing the traditional bedside care, but there's also roles of being in supporting insurance and billing questions that patients have, facilitating getting support services for our patients that need assistance. So there really are all kinds of nurses' footprints across the organization providing all kinds of care and support for our patients.
I think that the nurses at Nebraska Medicine are among the elite. Their commitment to our patients and families, the dedication to their nursing practice, and just the overall desire for them to achieve excellence is just amazing. They're amazing nurses, and they should hold their title as being a nurse with pride.
I think what really makes the Nebraska Medicine nurses stand out is the courage and bravery that they show.
There's no question in my mind that the nursing staff here at Nebraska Medicine is the finest that I've seen. The patients and their families universally say that they love being here. And that's 100% related to the nursing staff and the rest of the staff taking care of the patients. And not so much to the doctors. I mean, certainly that's part of it, but I think that the fact that the patients perceive that they get excellent care is related to the fact that we have excellent nursing.
You know, our nurses are extraordinary, and I said very early on when I got here that my observation was that they were second to none. And they really are. I think, you know, our nurses, in whatever environment, in whatever circumstance that they're in, they really try to create the best outcomes for their patients, and not just from a clinical perspective, but from a socio-economical perspective, from a spiritual perspective. You know, we can tell stories over and over and over again about various interactions or various examples where our nurses have continually just gone above and beyond to really meet the patient and the patient's family where they are, and to create the right moments during their journey of disease, diagnoses, treatment, comfort, and prevention. And I think that's unique here. I mean, I can honestly say, as I've worked at other places, that the intensity by which that is done at Nebraska Medicine is unique, and quite frankly, I think it's the legacy of this institution, given that nursing is really the core of patient care.
During this Nurses Week, I just want to thank everyone. Thank you for the care that you give to our patients, for the care that you give to yourselves and to your colleagues. We are a great institution with a lot to offer nurses and our patients, and as your Chief Nursing Officer, I just want to say thank you for all that you do each and every day for our patients. Thank you.
Thank you to all the awesome nurses across Nebraska Medicine, whether it's in the ORs, the EDs, the med-surg units in the ancillary areas like radiology, cardiac rehab. Thanks for everything you do to make sure our patients get the very best care possible. We really appreciate it.
I would like to thank all the nurses of the organization. I believe they do everything in their power to go above and beyond to meet the needs of the patients, always on the cutting edge of best practice and looking for new opportunities to improve the way that they deliver care for our patients. On the behalf of the organization and our patients and their families, thank you.
I just want to thank all the nurses at the Nebraska Medicine for everything they do. Whether you're at the bedside or behind the scenes, you truly do make an impact in our patients' outcomes and their care.
Can't say enough about the nurses at Nebraska Medicine. They are the reason that we are able to do what we do here. And every single day, I am grateful for the nurses that I work alongside. I can't thank you enough. I look forward to the next 30 years working with you. And really, I hope you have a great Nurses Week. We really appreciate you.
Thank you to the nursing staff for the outstanding care that they provide. There's no question that the great outcomes and the excellent care that patients get is related to your work. So thank you.
I just want to say on behalf of Dr. Britt again, myself, and the entire senior team from Nebraska Medicine, a very, very special thank you to each and every one of our nurses and our nursing care teams. It's really a joy every year to come together in this period of time to recognize the amazing work, the commitment, and really the passion for patient care and those that we serve that is really illuminated and exemplified in each and every one of you. So have a wonderful Nurses Week. Thank you for all of your contributions to really help our patients and their families to the best of our capabilities. You make us incredibly proud. Thank you.